Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Berkshire online banking accounts. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to register for an online account for Berkshire Bank, then start off by opening up a web browser. In the URL box, type in www.berkshirebank.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll be taken to the official website of Berkshire Bank. Go and click on the login drop down at the top right and you'll end up in the login area. If you've not enrolled into online banking yet and you'd like to sign up, you can click on this Enroll Now link. Once you give it a click, you'll be taken to a new page where you'll need to fill in some of your information. You'll need to select an account type, accept the online disclosure and agreement, enter your account information for verification purposes, and you'll be able to enroll into online banking for Berkshire Bank. Select one of the account type you'd like to enroll with. If you're enrolling as a business, you can check this little box beneath that says I'm enrolling as a business. You'll also need to provide your business name and its details on the next page. If you're not enrolling as a business and you are doing it personally, then leave the box unchecked and finally click on this I have read and agree to the terms of personal and business online banking agreement and disclosure and click the continue button at the bottom. Once you click on the continue button, follow through the on-screen prompts and enter the rest of the information as it asks to you on the display, and you'll be guided on further instructions to finish off your enrollment. After you do so, you'll be able to sign up or enroll into online banking for Berkshire Bank and manage your account right from your mobile devices or your computer. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.